How to fix Google Chrome's search engine changing into Yahoo. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can fix Google's search engine getting changed into Yahoo. Now before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's begin. First step is open up your Google Chrome, and here you can see the search engine is currently Yahoo. Now changing it back is really simple, but the reason why this keeps on changing can be due to your extensions. So what we'll do is we'll tap on this extensions option, tap on manage extensions. From here, look for extensions which you might find suspicious and simply remove it. So if you think there is some, extensions which you did not download, so you can simply remove those very extensions, and doing that will, fix your problem for you. But changing this back to Google is also easy. Tap on the three dots on the top right, scroll down, and there you'll find settings. Tap on settings. Then from here, what you will need to do is go to search engine right here. And from here, tap on this change option and change it back to Google. Select Google right here and then tap on set as default. Doing that, your problem is now fixed. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.